Mic check, mic check.
You're good.
Okay, we're starting this recovery now. Congratulations to everybody that was voting. I think FTX is out of assets to sell legally, so the world of crypto can be wild sometimes. Let me ping everybody, let them know.
What up, team?
Crypto's about to be up.
Well, I'm locked and loaded. Let's go.
Alright, I'm tagging everybody in Discord, letting them know about recovery. Let's go. Look at EFW getting ready to rip faces off right here. Like, this is playing out perfectly. Right to
So
the
be careful up
fucking
around
T.
here, though, because we still haven't got out of the ditch yet. But yeah, I'm in position.
We didn't get out of the ditch yet. Keyword yet. But we're getting there. We're getting there, Drew.
I don't see a turnaround until either 14.3 at like best, but most likely it's like 13.6 to 13.1. Of course, but I do think that right now, from now until CPI, we might pump all the way up to like 16.6, maybe even a hair higher. I mean, this fucking market cap is getting smaller, so it's gonna, go up and down much easier. But I either before CPI or right after CPI or at CPI, I see us coming down to like anywhere from 14.3 to 13, and then I see us bouncing.
I understand your perspective, but this is what stop losses are designed for. Moments like this. They are almost mathematically out of assets to dump on the market. This is great. Too bad for the Solana and FTT bag holders, though. So sorry for the guys like Tom Brady that got wrecked putting big fortunes into FTT. Congratulations to everyone who got their bags out of FTX before it went under like this as well. I don't think CPI is going to be that bad. CPI should be good. Gasoline prices down. Why would CPI be that bad?
It's still okay.
Gas is way cheaper. CPI is going to be great.
Yeah, I thought CPI was going to be good too, or they would spin it to be good, and I was expecting a crash right before, but I was looking for S&P to go much lower than this.
We hit $1 on the FTT.
Yeah, it hit one, Tim. I'm sure tomorrow, Vlad, you'll get moves both ways, man. Like big rip up, big rips down, you know?
Of course, yeah.
Regardless of what the number is.
Yep.
Matic's at 81 cents when we start this recovery right here, YouTube. It's going to be a bumpy recovery, but nonetheless, it's going to be a nice little recovery. We're going to be above $16,000 Bitcoin soon. Sam is almost out of other people's assets to sell. I really wish the government would have jumped in sooner and went to their headquarters, froze all their servers so that they could not sell their clients' funds. It's gonna be pretty disgusting in the crypto space after this. Cheers to everyone that was on METC during this whole event, so you could take full advantage of everything. KuCoin fucked people. KuCoin fucked you guys. They removed FTT and then they put it on after FTT was already crashed, knowing that it was gonna come to the ground. They fucked you guys.
I'd like to give a shout out to my bro for hanging in there with the Doge and DCA. FYI, go Tim.
You want to see my DCA into Doge, Rob?
That's it.
I DCA'd onto a 200 times bag, Rob. My DCA into Doge on 200 times bag.
Damn, Tim.
I'm only down. At one point, it was negative 3,000%. Right now, I'm only down 2,500%.
It's a cakewalk for Ting. Down 2,500, but he'll be up 10,000%.
Down 3,100 automatic.
Isn't it weird how Doge held up so well during this? BP says METC is unstable and responsive. I had no issues with METC today, BP.
Tame, so you've
My
opened
liquidation is 0 though.
along on Bitcoin?
I don't trade Bitcoin. I do Doge.
Yeah. Matic.
But along nonetheless, right?
Yeah.
I got out of. I'm sorry, I got out of my short on Bitcoin.
So let me tell you why FTTs. I'll tell you why METC stopped filling FTT shorts, guys. They ran out of shorts. They're not going to sell you naked shorts. There's only so many FTT that you can short. It's good that they ran out because otherwise it would be naked and you would be screwed. You would be naked shorting, which is 1, unethical, 2, illegal. So you should have started shorting when I called it at $22 and you would have had no issue. Same thing when the grocery store runs out of bananas. You can't go in there demanding to buy bananas. It's not an exchange problem. It's not an exchange problem. There's no more FTT to short because people like me used Matt's leverage and started shorting it early. If you would have jumped in, you had ample time. Remind you of this post right here. You had ample time. You could have started shorting it as well. But a lot of you didn't. You didn't start shorting until it fell to $10. You waited until $11 support or loss. So don't complain that you did not get to short it on the exchange because it's not the exchange's fault. Other people already took all the orders out. But if you started shorting here at $22.66 and you wait until this $1 to take profit or close to $1, $2, you would be in big profits. And then idiots like this thinking gonna hold long. Yeah, it's only 3 fucking days. Only 3 days. 3 days to make another big short in crypto. It wasn't that hard.
I just posted. Sorry, Tim, go ahead.
Now the big plan, I think ETHW, because FTX is demolished. They had to dump their ETHW bags. I think Binance can now finally list ETHW on futures. They didn't want to list it before because it would give FTX a little bit more capital. So listing it after, that's the move for Binance. So I think ETHW will be on their futures pretty soon. A lot of crypto took a big hit today, but oddly enough, Doge, 7 cents. Doge is up the most compared to any of these from last month. Doge is still up a lot compared to the last month. Like, let's go to crypto bubbles. Let's look at 1 month. Look at this. Doge is up still 21%, while FTT is down 90.5%. And then we have other coins like Solana. So look at this. This is beautiful. Elon had to have been buying Doge, supporting it down there or something. I yield my time.
Reclaiming my time.
Bitcoin popping champagne.
Here we go. Bitcoin's about to liquidate some of these. By the way, let me remind you something. What was Sam's last card? A Bitcoin short with a liquidation price of $30,000. He closes that short. Bitcoin starts spiking up about $3,000 price range. If we go up from $3,000 from here, that's going to be about almost 18,000. So that would clear all these liquidations. I don't know if he would close it very faster immediately, but that's about a 13% swing up. If you're trying to short Bitcoin down here, you deserve to get wrecked. I'm just warning you. Just warning you now. The bulls are about to jump in, and you're going to get squeezed. When Sam closes this Bitcoin short, the last card, and then we go up. Doge is already back above 7.5 cents up here.
All right, guys, this is going to sound wild, but my target for Bitcoin is 18,000, and then we're going to drop down at 14.
He's closing the short.
Yeah.
Let's go. We're fucking running.
Yeah, that would be great.
The target that I have is because on the 1 hour, we broke out of a falling wedge in the wrong direction. And for Polkovsky, when you fall out of a falling wedge in the wrong direction, the apex becomes the target. And there's actually a fib right at 18,000. So shorts, be careful. But it might not even go there, but that is a target.
Here we go, guys. I'm telling you, he's closing his short. We are fucking pumping. Go retweet this. Share with all your fucking friends that we're coming up, motherfuckers. You sit here all the way through dip. Don't fucking miss out on the fucking rip.
Rocket.
I put a lot more capital in right before I came back on, drew these fucking green boxes for you guys. Look at this pump right here.
Let's go.
Closing this, he's closing Bitcoin short. That's why you're getting this big pump right here. The moment FTT hit $1 on the FTX platform, I knew it was time to come back in, load the war chest up, get the money. Woo! We're fried, Sam. We liquidated Sam. We made him do a tough call. If you were an FTX customer and got out days before, congratulations. There we go, 16,300. We're fucking ripping. People just watched $600 Bitcoin run out of their eyes. There we go. There we go. Somebody clip this. Fucking fantastic.
Can I ask you something, Tim?
Yeah, go ahead.
Every time that you come from the park, crickets start pumping?
Well, I have this guy tied up in my basement with curly hair. I don't think Sam's gonna have to worry about going to court. Look at the biggest fucking green Kindle you've seen all day, YouTube. Who told you it was coming? Who told you this green Kindle was about to come? You had over 5 minutes to react. 5 minutes. I already told you to get on MET-C as well. Many times before this event happened. I showed you the $0 liquidation strategy before this happened as well.
Actually, it was 10 minutes they had since you came on.
10 whole minutes. That's. I wish somebody gave me 10 minutes to make some awesome plays. I wish somebody gave me 10 minutes to debate should I enter with a stop loss or not.